Even if you don't create music videos, maybe you create YouTube videos or short films, this plugin might be incredibly useful for you. It has been for me. It's called mMusic Video 2 from Motion VFX. And before I go through the different presets in it, I took a snippet of a music video produced by my buddy Troy Stanton and quickly threw in some different effects and transitions from the plugin so you can see some of the presets in action.
We at a place I can't reach, the names ring in the streets. You want beef on me, you won't leave in one piece.
Cause we're the endless around, where we be putting it down. You from the west or the east, we gotta say peace.
We at a place I can't reach, the names ring in the streets. You want beef on me, you won't leave in one piece.
Cause we're the endless around, where we be putting it down. You from the west or the east, we gotta say peace.
Yep, I know what you're thinking. I threw in way too many effects, but it was just for the example. This plugin is a new take on one of my favorite motion VFX plugins, obviously the first mMusic Video. But what makes this one special is that it was created in collaboration with the legend YC Imaging, so the pack crushes it. In your titles browser, the plugin has 5 drag and drop camera movements that take away the hassle of keyframing. This section is one in particular that'd be really useful for you even if you don't make music videos. This one is a simple smooth zoom in and something that I use frequently in my videos when I need to create more of a push in post. Dynamic will give more of a handheld look while blurring the perimeter of your shot. Fake robot arm creates that quick camera zoom and pan to different locations in your shot. Fast rotation is really useful because you can keep it at length to act as a nice spinning effect to your video, or you can shorten it and use it as a transition by putting it between clips. And then of course you have the handheld effect, which gives more of a natural handheld look than the standard handheld effect in Final Cut Pro. This next section is one of my favorites. I am a huge fan of vintage film mat overlays. Let me know if you are too. And this plugin gives you a nice set of them and they're really simple to use. You can quickly adjust the on-screen controls to adjust the aspect ratio of some of them, and as you can tell, some of them automatically duplicate your clip to fit the frames, which is a nice touch. And if you hop into the inspector window, you'll see you have full control over every parameter if you'd like to adjust them. You can increase the jitter of the sprocket hole, you can turn off or adjust the film grain, and tons more. These film mats are a great way to add a vintage feel to your normal footage, no matter what types of videos you create. I know a lot of you are going to love these overlay effects. This diffusion preset helps you achieve that Pro Mist filter look without needing to buy the filter. So for those of you that want that look in your films or music videos, you are set. Film emulation is a killer preset as well. It adds some contrast while lightening your blacks. It adds a bit of that mist filter look, as well as adding some film grain over top. All of these parameters are customizable as well. The rest of these are also really solid. I used quite a few in the music video example. This cool fisheye effect, this ghosting effect, the off-screen scrolls here. Lots of options to add a little spice to your music videos and other types of videos. You may have noticed this quick flash of photos earlier. This photo slideshow section makes it so easy to achieve animated sequences of pictures just like that. Normally creating something like that takes so long while editing. With these presets, all you do is hop into the inspector window, use the drop zone to select pictures or frames of a video, hit apply, and you are set. The plugin also comes with titles that are of course useful for music videos, but I can see them coming in handy for fashion videos, car videos, and tons more. In the effects browser, there are 5 different split screen effects that make it so easy to just drag a clip over another clip, slap on the effect, and you instantly have an adjustable split screen that animates in. No taking the time to crop your clips, and no time needed to go in and animate the entrance and exit of the clip. And if you don't want the film grain or other adjustments that it adds, those can easily be changed. Lastly, we have the transition section of the plugin. These are sweet. The pack comes with 10 different transitions. A camera shake transition, which kind of seems like one you might see in a travel video, an echo flash, some quick film mark flashes, this really incredible fire transition that seamlessly works with your footage, flash zoom, flicker flare, a flame drop transition, a quick light leak, which you might find useful no matter what type of video you create, This one called Negative Flashes lets you put in 3 different pictures into your drop zone so they flash by real quick during the transition. And lastly, we have a Speed Flash, which almost seems to add a very tiny speed ramp between your clips with a light streak added. Like everything in the pack, the majority of these transitions are fully customizable, so if you want the light streak to be your channel or logo color, you can make the adjustment. Lots of options to tweak these presets to fit your video style and your brand. You can check out the plugin more in depth by clicking the link in the description and in the comments. It really is an amazing plugin for FCP and DaVinci Resolve. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.